Hi, and welcome again to another episode of The Consistency Queen. My name is Elsa Morgan. I'm a wife, I'm a mum to two beautiful children, and I own a global coaching business, which I started in 2021, and we've achieved $1 million since then. I'm on a mission to help and serve over 1 million women to be able to build their businesses, step into their power, and achieve their goals. For me, I serve and help high-performing women to amplify their income and increase their influence and impact from vision to brand. I'm so passionate about that, by the way, because I know what is possible when you just break free from the chains. And that's exactly what I want to do today, is really get some clarity for you about where you are in your journey. So stay tuned, because I'm going to give you some big aha moments. It's going to be a quick training, but it's going to be one that's going to could potentially kick you in the guts, or it could give you the release that you need. Now, I'm so grateful you're here, because I love serving. I love serving you. But before we get started, if you could do me a favor and just hop onto my YouTube channel and subscribe. Also, feel free to leave me a 5-star review subscribe to my Apple podcast, The Consistency Queen, and also my Spotify podcast. My YouTube channel, by the way, is Elsa Morgan, The Consistency Queen. It's pretty easy to find. Okay. You can also hop into my Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/The Legacy Academy. Now, I want to just preface this, is that I achieved my first 6-figure month in October of 2022. And let me tell you, up until that point, I learned so many leadership and business, operational, and mastery of skill set lessons. And when, I get asked, what did it actually take to get to your first 6-figure month? These are the things that I can speak to. There's 4 things. And I'm going to be real quick, by the way, because I want to make sure it lands and you are very, very clear on where you are right now and what you need to focus on. And like I said, this could be a life-changing episode for you, because I'm going to be speaking about themes I've never, ever spoken about. Okay, but I'm going to be real quick. Okay, so achieving 6 figures in a month is not for the faint-hearted. I just want to say that it does require a significant amount of focus and effort. And by then, you should be well and truly on your way to transforming who you are, in terms of where you were once, and you would have started already letting go of limiting beliefs, habits, and embodying those, top earner habits to help you get there. Okay, you're not going to be the perfect set. I certainly am not. But you are well and truly on your way in terms of your transformation, and you are consistently evolving and growing and transforming every single day, and fully committed to this journey. Okay. But what people don't talk about is what you need to focus on. I call it the stepping stones to your first 6-figure month. This is such an important training. The more I think about it, the more that I'm believing in that. Okay. The stepping stones are going to give you the focus in that period of time. Now, if you just focus on these areas, then you're going to realize why you are there, like why you need to be there, and you are exactly where you are, and you're meant to be there right now. Okay. So what are the stepping stones? So let me just say, number 1, your growth needs to be supported by your ability to build mastery. You can't build a 7-figure business without mastery, with a level of mastery. Now, you're not going to have the same level of mastery as you would when you're achieving like 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, like multiple 7 figures. Like our next goal is $5 million. And so we're building to the mastery to match a $5 million business. Okay. But in order to get to my first 6-figure month, I needed to build mastery to that. And so people need to understand that, because that's not ever spoken about, that you need to be good at what you do. You need to be good at what you do, but more importantly, not just to serve your customers, for your business, for the stability of your business, for the fact that you are building something pretty significant. Okay. And so you need to understand that your growth and what you do has to be based on mastery. So you set a solid foundation. And how you do that is by all your growth, all your lessons you literally apply every single day, so it becomes a part of you. So you are embodying that behavior. Okay. So that's number 1, is that your growth needs to be supported by your ability to build mastery, by your level of mastery. Okay. Now, These are the next three are really important. So pay attention. To go to 4 figures per month on a consistent basis, your focus should be on mastery of skill set. Get good at what you do. Get good at what you need to do to produce an income for your business. Get good at what you do to share your message of impact. Get good at what you do, right, in terms of operating every single day, your daily method of operation. You need to build mastery. You need to be good at that. People want 6 figures, building inconsistency, and you know what? That is never, ever going to sustain over a long period of time. But if you build mastery and you get good at building up to 4 figures per month by building up mastery of skill set, the things that you need to be doing in your business, the way that you operate yourself, the way that you handle business, the way that you overcome objections, you build mastery to 4 figures every single day in those areas, in skill set of business, you're giving yourself every chance to build a very, very solid business. So you want to know why you're not at 4 figures per month? It's because you're not focusing on what you need to. You're chasing the result more than getting good every single day, getting better every day. Okay. So you need to build to mastery of the things that you need to do for your business every single day to achieve consistent 4-figure months. Now, what do you need to do? What do you need to focus on once you've achieved that and you want to go to 5 figures per month? Well, 5 figures per month is all about mindset, because a lot of it has to do with the level of money, the level of income that you're achieving. And it's like, wow. And if you do not have a handle on your mindset, and when I say mindset, I don't just mean personal development. I'm talking about the way that you see money, your relationship with money, the way that you can handle that level of impact. This is all mindset related. And the problem that people have when they first hit their first 5-figure month and so on is they don't develop their mindset to match that level of growth. I have a proven system on what and how you can focus on the growth areas that you need as you keep leveling up. And when you're striving for a 5-figure month, mindset is the thing that you need to really focus on, right? Once you've mastered 4 figures per month, you want to chase the 5 figures. Mastery in terms of money mindset, in terms of your energy, in terms of your emotions, in terms of the way that you carry yourself, how you conduct yourself once you get an objection or when a client leaves. All of these things plays a very big role in the way that your business unfolds. Okay. And so once you get to 5 figures per month, what's the focus to help you to achieve 6 figures per month? And that is, my friends, leadership. To be able to lead a big business of that size, you need to have people around you and you need to lead people. So, in the coaching world, we call that scaling. Okay. So when you're at 6 figures per month, it's about delegation. It's about helping to bring on people or fostering people's growth, helping them and supporting them to get the best out of them, or leading people to their goals so then you achieve your goals. The thing that you need to know, whether you hire or contract people out, you are helping them to win and to achieve their goals. How will you help them to win? What is their goal? What do they desire? What's their goal out of this role for them? Okay. Same if if you need to enroll people in your team, what is their goal? What do they hope to get out of this? How can you help them? And it's all around leadership. You have to get really good at leadership. You have to get good at delegation, and you have to get good at casting the vision so that everyone is walking to the same beat like this all the time. And believing in the vision and sharing in the vision and getting motivated and excited about the vision. Because if you don't have people that buy into your vision, you are not leading well. It's got nothing to do with them. It's that you are not casting the vision so big enough and so strong enough and available for them to help them win, that you're going to lose out on helping them to achieve their potential. So I hope you've achieved or received the breakthroughs that you need to help you to understand where you are right now in your journey. Okay. Now, if you want more of this, you absolutely can. You see, I have a signature program that has helped many women to achieve these milestone months that I've spoken about today. And what you need to do is you go to hangwiththequeen.com and you'll be able to start that process. Now, if you're accepted, because I'm limiting it to 5 people, what you're going to receive is not only access to my proven, successful, game-changing blueprint that has not only helped me to achieve $1 million, but so many women, like hundreds and hundreds of women, to be able to achieve their milestone months. But also you will receive bonus templates, Canva templates, done for you templates for your business, to be able to run your business, to be able to manage your business, financial templates. You'll also get social media templates, story templates. I'm going to take the guesswork out for you. So then that way, all you need to focus on is get good at what you do. I'm giving you all the things that I implemented to be able to achieve my $1 million. And so I want to help you. So go again, hangwiththequeen.com, start the process, and I'll see you in the program. Take care.